Hi everyone, this is Hernan from Seagate, and today we're visiting our NAS partner, ASUSTOR. And we have David with us, marketing manager. He's going to talk to us a little bit about their NAS products, about some of the features and functions and what they do, and some really cool new stuff. So David, tell us a little bit about yourself and your company.
So I'm from ASUSTOR, and our company was founded in 2011. The name we came up with, ASUSTOR, was because we use the name ASUS and storage, and so putting that together, we kind of came up with ASUSTOR. So we are a subsidiary of ASUS, and so that's pretty much our parent company. Cool. And that's kind of like the background of our company. Awesome,
fantastic, really good story. So tell us a little bit about this NAS here. What's its model number, and what do we got?
All right, so this is our one of our new NAS models, AS4004T, and this main feature on this NAS is the 10 Gigabit Ethernet, which is built in. Compared to all the other NAS models that we have, this is the only one that we have that's 10 gig right now.
So this is it here. So see the interface here. We have, what is this first one?
So the first one we have is a USB 3.0.
Okay.
And then the next one is the 10 gig Ethernet port right here.
Okay.
And then the next two are the 1 Gigabit Ethernet.
Got it. Okay. Awesome. Great. And how's the installation? Do we need tools? What do we need to install to install Seagate hard drives in this thing?
All right. So the cool thing about this NAS is that this is our first model that we have that's toolless installation. So you don't need any screwdrivers, you don't need any hammers or anything anymore. All you got to do is you just pop off these side hinges, and these hinges will hold on to the hard drive.
Oh wow, check that out.
So the tray. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Very easy installation now.
Good. So no tools.
No more
they needed. That's great. I love it. So tell us a little bit more. Who is this? Who's the customer for this? Who would use a NAS like this? What kind of customer?
Mainly photographers, small business, medium-sized business, anybody that can use storage. Okay. Any kind of storage, and mainly now it's like everybody's trying to store stuff online.
Definitely.
But they also want something that's private in their home that they have physical access to.
Right.
So this is pretty much the main purpose of the NAS.
Good. And so, what happens if, like me, I travel a lot. So if I need to access information or data on the road, how would I do that? Do you guys have something, an app or something I can use?
Yeah, we actually have 8 apps.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 8 apps, and the apps are mainly, each app has its own function. So like AI Photo would be mainly for photo.
Nice.
AI Data, mainly you can log onto your NAS with your phone to access your data, like Excel, PowerPoint, whatever, wow. Word. And we have AI Secure, that's for your surveillance, and those pretty much are, like, we have apps that will cover everything.
Cool, awesome. You mentioned surveillance. So you can, via network, you can connect cameras to this?
Yes.
Does it have a maximum amount of cameras that that can connect on the network and that can record? Is there a maximum?
So for surveillance, all our NAS models come with 4 free IP camera license. And the lower end models, like the 10 series, the 31, 32 series, they have a maximum of like 16 cameras. Okay. But if you get up to the 60 series and the 70 series, you can have a maximum of 64 cameras.
Oh wow, yeah. That's really good. And you can access video, all your videos, stuff
all
like
of
that
it on your app, or you can access it through your
live, like you can see actually
live,
people at your doorstep.
Yeah.
Okay, wow, that's really good. I love it. That's a really good feature. So tell me, what else do you guys have that makes your guys is unique? Makes your NAS unique. Tell us.
So we have a few software features that are pretty unique to us, and so one of them is called Easy Connect. And with the NAS, a lot of times people will set up their NAS and they decide to go out maybe to another computer, but they need to download a software to actually connect to their NAS. Right. With our Easy Connect, all you got to do is go to our website called easyconnect.to. From there, you just type in your cloud ID, and you can type in your password and you log in directly to your NAS from any computer without downloading any software.
Oh wow, so you can be in a library, you can be anywhere?
Yep, you can bring your laptop anywhere as long as you have a hotspot, you can connect to it, or you can be in the library, like you said, connect to it.
And it's secure? I mean, is it safe to access, to be able to do that anywhere?
Yes, and it's all secured up through HTTPS.
Oh wow, okay, good, really good. Okay, so what else do you guys have about your NAS system? I know obviously it's got 10 gig, so that's it's blazing speed, it's fast, it's great. We know about the storage, so this is a 4-bay system. So with the Seagate, I mean, you can add 14 terabytes times 4.
Yeah.
So we know its capacity and storage is robust.
Mm-hmm.
It's obviously its network throughput is robust with a 10 gig. Mm-hmm. So like you said, it's great for photographers or anybody that has larger files that you're dragging and dropping. Right. Good for small offices and medium-sized offices that are backing up. So what does someone do to back up? Because we know it's a centralized storage system, right? Obviously. And then, so can they work with other apps and other software that they can back up with? Or maybe they already have stuff, that's built into their systems. Mm-hmm. Can they still use your NAS?
Yes. So the way we back up is we have a software, and we're just going to try to back up things from your computer. We have a software called ASUSTOR Backup, okay. And that software is mainly used just to back up continuously, mm-hmm. Whether you decide to do synchronization, which is like whatever files change, that's what gets backed up, okay. Or you do some sort of setup where it's like daily or weekly backup, yep. And that automatically on your computer will back up the files that you've chosen or the folders that you've chosen on your computer to back up.
Okay. And how much is that license?
That's free.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's free. It's a free software.
So you're saying that if I have 25 users in my
mm-hmm.
office,
yeah.
They can all use the app, your guys' app, to back everything up to to your NAS system,
yeah.
Without cost.
Without cost.
Wow, that's very nice. That's a very good feature. And you can schedule it and stuff like that.
You can schedule it any time of day you want. Mm-hmm. And one of the proprietary functions that we have on that software is mm-hmm. called mission mode, which is if your internet dies, let's say randomly, yep. Maybe short circuit or whatever, mm-hmm. Mission mode will continue to try to do your backup until it actually connects to your NAS. Wow. So you don't have to worry if, let's say you're out for a vacation and mm-hmm. 1 month later you come back and you have nothing saved, nothing got backed up.
Yeah, you got power outage.
Power outage or anything, yeah. Wow. Mission mode will continually try to back up until once it connects, mm-hmm. It'll continue the backup.
Wow, that's great. That is fantastic news. So, David, is there anything else you want to touch base
yes.
regarding your systems?
Okay, so there's another feature that's actually new to us. It's mm-hmm. called ASUSTOR Easy Sync, and okay. This pretty much turns your NAS into a cloud, kind of like a Dropbox. Mm-hmm. So anything you've updated on your computer automatically gets synced right away to your NAS. Oh, wow. And not only that, you also have history. And so every time you save, let's just say a Google Doc, you saved it once, you've edited something, it automatically syncs to your NAS. Right. And let's just say the next time you edit it, you save it, but you messed up. Mm-hmm. Actually, the NAS will remember what history versions you have, so and you can go back. There's versioning to it, and so that's our newest feature, and that's in our ADM 3.2.
Uniformer. That's fantastic. And is that compatible with all your NAS systems?
All our NAS systems.
Oh wow, that's really cool. I mean, that's great for people, in offices that are backing stuff up, students with their homework that are constantly editing, and then storing things. So, is that a particular folder you would drag it into? Yeah. So you can set up a specific folder that you want everything inside to be synced, or you can set up multiple folders, and pretty much all the folders will have that function of everything that gets updated will get synced straight to your NAS, and it'll create versions of the files that you update. So David, so if I'm working, let's say I'm working on my laptop, and all of a sudden I get one of these ransomware, viruses that locks up my computer and all that stuff. Everything's going to be on this NAS.
Everything's on the NAS, and your NAS is safe.
Till the last version that
Until the last version, yes.
And then the versions before that.
Right.
So I have to just get this wiped out, cleaned out, and then I can just put everything back.
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. So David, tell me, to get a NAS system like this, what is someone going to spend? What are we looking at spending?
All right, so this model is $359 MSRP. Okay. We also have a smaller version, just 2 bays, in case you don't need that much storage, and then that's $259.
Got it. Awesome. That's a really good deal.
All right, and I have a quick question. So what happens if something fails inside the hard drive, inside our NAS?
That's a really good question. Now, the Iron Wolf Pro system, it actually comes with 2 years of recovery service for free. It actually comes with.
What does that even mean?
So what happens is, if the disk fails, you just ship it over to us, ship it over to our recovery center, and this one's based in Oklahoma, and ship it to us. We'll recover this information for you, and then we'll send you a link to download it, or we'll send you the actual disk back, a disk back with the data in it as well. Either or both, whichever. I mean, if you need it, it's time sensitive, we'll get it back to you. That takes about 10 days.
Wow.
Yep, and it's our own recovery service. We've been doing it for years and years. It's not outsourced. We actually do everything ourselves in-house. So, and another point is we're talking about recovery and the health of a NAS drive. Is we have the IHM, which is the health management system. Okay, and what we do is having the ability to work with the ASUSTOR NAS, and then being able to access the health of the drive. So you can see everything on the drive. So you make sure it's running healthy, every sector, everything is running nice and smooth. So with the health management tool built by Seagate, you can actually see all this, and it works really, really well within your system as well. So really, really good feature.
That's great. That's great to have.
Great, thanks, David. So great system, and it comes included. When we talked about the 4-camera license, it comes with the backup, your proprietary backup software. It comes with your Easy Connect, right? Easy Connect Cloud. You just lock things in, and everything's included for a really good price. Now, good price. Now, the only thing it doesn't come with is a hard drive, and this is where we come in. Okay, here at Seagate, we've developed the Iron Wolf NAS drive, and this NAS drive, it's very special. It's actually built for NAS systems, like the ASUSTOR NAS system sitting here. What it is, it's very unique because of the firmware. Okay, it has an agile aware firmware that's built specifically for NAS systems and being able to work within the NAS system environment. Physically, it comes with RV sensors. So it's built into the system. You can't see it, but it has 2 RV sensors in here that helps balance out the NAS system. Because what happens is, when you have one hard drive, you don't have a lot of vibration, right? You're just using it. But what happens when you have multiple NAS systems and it heats up, and they're vibrating and gyrating? The actual rotational vibration components that are on there will help control that vibration and also help it out with noise levels and things like that. So we highly recommend when using a NAS system, use the Iron Wolf NAS drive and the Iron Wolf Pro NAS drive, because again, they're built specifically just for NAS systems, similar to this one. So again, David, thank you very much for your time. A great system, and again, it complements very well with some great hard drives from Seagate. David, again, thank you very much. Good talking.
Thank you so much.